All right, so hi everyone. Today we are going to read King Rex with Kara. Okay, you ready, Kara?
King Rex is sad. He is not well
Very good. Why is he sad?
because he didn't got the shield.
He didn't got a shield. What is he feeling?
Sad.
Yes, and look at the picture. What do you mean by he is not well?
Mm,
What does it mean when you're not feeling well?
uh,
What does it mean?
sad.
Sad, and look at him. What are you feeling if
Sick.
you, yes, when you say that I don't feel well, it means you are sick. Okay, now let's see what happened next.
Nell rings in the bell. Ring, ring,
Ring, ring.
ring, ring,
Oh,
ring.
okay, what's her name?
Now
All right, and what is she doing?
she's gonna ring on the bell
Okay, why do you think she's ringing the bell?
because the king is sad.
Because the king is sad? Let's see.
I am now I can
A,
zing
se,
si si sing
ing.
sing
There's
you
no g. This one is Again, can you
sing
say it?
sing
Mm.
sing
Again.
sing
Mm.
mm,
Sing. Okay. All right. So, can you say this again?
sing you
Again.
sing you are si- si-
Aw.
so so
Mm.
so si zi zi si so
Aw. Mm.
so son
Mm. Mm. Aw. Mm.
so
This one is ing. This one is ong.
song
Okay, again, what's this?
sing you a song.
All right.
You will get well.
You will get well. Okay, again.
You will get well.
Okay, can you try to read it again?
I And now I can sing you a song. You will get well.
Will, will
Will
get
get
well.
you.
This one is
You,
harder. Will. And
you
this one is
will.
eh.
You
Will,
will get
eh.
well.
Very good. You will get
You
well. Will.
will. You
Okay,
will.
because it sounds the same. You will get well. So you
You,
should be, this one is harder. This one is softer. So you will get well.
you will get well.
Very good. Okay. So what can Nell do for the king?
Sing.
Can sing a song. She can sing a song. And what will happen if Nell sings a song?
He will feel better.
He will feel better. That's right. Good job. Now let's go to the next one.
The king does
To,
the tells now to sing sing her song.
okay, so what does the king tell Nell?
Sing a song.
All right, next.
Now sing a
Sings.
sings a long
Oh,
song. King Rex has a nap. Zzz.
all right. Oh, wait. All right, so what happens after Nell sang a long song?
Uh, they they fell asleep.
Yeah. Do you fall asleep whenever you listen to music?
No, I don't think so.
What makes you fall asleep?
Mm, when I get sleepy, I will sleep. But when I watch TV, I will sleep. I will sleep.
Mm. Oh, while watching TV, you might fall asleep, right?
Yeah.
Might fall asleep, right? So now
Do not
let
not do not sing a long song now. I cannot hum
we played this a while ago. Ah,
a
ah, sound.
I
This one is l, l, ah, l, ah, mm. Ah,
long.
okay, again.
I cannot hum long.
Ah,
Long.
again.
Long.
Okay, why did the king doesn't want Nell to sing a long song?
Because he will get sleepy.
Yes, and he cannot sing along with or hum along with Nell. Okay, now let's
Now
see what.
things are quiet.
Eh, eh,
Coo- 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 Cooing.
wa, eh. What's this? Qua, eh. What's this?
Wait.
Again?
Now sings a quick song for the king. Her, her, Hirsch.
What's that?
Hirsch.
Ah, ah.
Her, her, Hirsch.
Ah.
Her,
Ah.
rush.
Mm.
Rush.
Okay, let's read it again.
Now sings a quick song for the king. Rush.
Very good. All right, so what do you think? Is the king happy about Nell's song right now?
Yeah.
All right, next.
King Rex is not sad. He hums and hums. Now can see. Then
At.
he
That.
what
Mm. At.
what
Can you say it?
what
The. It's not what. The. Again.
that he is well.
Again.
Now King Rex is not sad. He hums and hums. Now can see that he is well.
Very good. Yay! We're done. All right.
Quiz. Now, why is King Rex sad?
Okay. So why is King Rex sad? Why is he sad?
This one.
Oh, okay. You can click it. Okay, go. Click it. Okay, and check. Next.
What can Nell do to make the king well?
Can sing a song.
She can sing a song.
She can sing a song.
Okay.
Sing a song.
What type of song does Nell sing?
The first one, what type of song does Nell sing? The first song is a
Long song. Long.
okay, where's a long song? Okay.
What does King Rex want to do during Nell's song?
He can nap in bed.
What does the king want to do during Nell's song?
Sleep.
What? Does he want to sleep whenever Nell sings? What does he want to do when Nell sings? He wants to what?
This one.
Can you read this one?
He
Can you read?
chat to Nell.
Does he want Nell to chat with him while singing?
I don't know.
What does he want to do when Nell is singing?
This one. He can hum.
Okay, so he wants to hum along while she is singing. Okay, next.
What can Nell see when she finishes her song?
Okay, what can Nell see when she finishes her song?
She can see King Rex as well.
Okay. Look at. All right. Well done. Okay, so that's it in our class. Did you like our new story today?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, so actually we're already over time. So did you enjoy our class today?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So see you again tomorrow. We will do our worksheet tomorrow. Okay, say bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.